Gentlemen, here's the deal. You bought an electric razor because you wanted your shave to 1, be faster, and 2, easier. Unfortunately though, you're finding your electric shave takes longer to get it right, and when you do keep it quick, the shave is subpar. By that, I mean the electric razor seems to miss cutting a lot of the hair on your face. In addition, afterwards, some of you guys may be suffering from a bit of redness and irritation. So, how to step up your electric shave? Here are the secrets you need to know. Number 1, properly clean your electric razor. Seriously, gents, open it up. Yeah, I know, nasty. But there's a reason after a few weeks your electric razor hasn't been shaving as well. You see, a lot of men don't think about this, but you do need to periodically, manually clean your electric razor out. Now, I know some of you guys bought those fancy electric razors with a cleaning stand. I've got one too. And for the most part, those do a great daily clean. But once a month, you definitely are going to want to open up your razor and clean it out manually. I advise using an old toothbrush. Yeah, you're going to want to make sure to mark that thing as your cleaning brush. But in general, the soft bristles are not going to damage the inner parts of the razor, and they're going to help dislodge debris that gets stuck in there, especially if you're doing what I recommend in this next step. Step number 2, use a shaving oil. So what I love about a shaving oil is that you can apply it directly to the razor. This is really nice because it keeps the shaving mess at a minimum. Now, if I've just finished cleaning my razor, I like to put that bit of oil just before getting started, and then about 3 to 4 times as I'm going through and shaving my face, I'll reapply the oil. Not only does this help my razor work better, but it leaves my face feeling really nice and smooth.
Nani?
Nice. I know some of you guys are going to say, hey, my razor is not designed to shave wet. Well, that's why I recommended oil. If your razor is a wet razor, and a lot of modern ones are, in addition to the oil, you can also lather up your face and improve your shave by using a shaving cream or shaving gel. Again, not every electric razor is going to have this capability, but if it does, give it a shot. And yes, I know a lot of the advice out there is to shave dry when you're using an electric razor. But I find it really depends on the individual and the way their hair grows as to which technique is actually best. And speaking of techniques, make sure to understand how your electric razor works. Foil electric razors are different than those that use the circular rotating style. I personally find that giving a little bit of a spin technique when I'm shaving does a better job of grabbing the hair and allowing the razor to cut it. Another way to make sure you get a great shave is to not go more than 3 days between shaving your face. You see, when your hair gets a bit too long, electric razors have an issue catching those longer hairs. Now, in the case that it's been a week or longer since you've shaved, make sure to trim down the hair on your face with a pair of trimmers. And yes, if it's a quality pair of trimmers, you can use it without a guard on the face directly. Then once the hair is shorter, we're talking less than 1/8 of an inch, you can go ahead and run the electric razor over. Now, in the case that you're shaving your face for longer than 2 minutes, be careful because your razor can start to heat up. If this is the case, you're probably going to want to turn it off and let it cool down. A hot electric razor does not do as good of a job, and it can yank on your hairs. And last but not least, don't forget to use a cooling aftershave. A lot of guys forget this step, but I'm here to tell you the right aftershave can deal with that razor burn or irritation and just make you look better. Now, gents, if you'd like to get a shaving oil free, check out the link I'm putting in the description and comments of today's video. If you use that link and go over to Vitaman, you'll be able to grab our shaving oil free with purchase of our shaving gel and aftershave balm. Now, gents, I'm only making 100 of these available, so grab them while you can. All right, gents, what video to watch next? Well, I got you covered right here with this video, which, yeah, you can tell what it is. Click on it, go check it out. Magically, you'll be taken to this next video, which I promise is amazing. Check it out. Boom, click it right there. That's it.